We are here to make noise because we know that words are not enough, and that is the most important thing that we have to say to the British government. Your words are not enough. We need action. We need action now.
Horrified, we watch as Israel commit heinous crimes, and we ask you, our representatives in the UK, to act.
It's ethnic cleansing, and we know that it's not only happening in Gaza, it's also happening in the West Bank, where settlers and Israeli authorities are working hand in glove to displace Palestinian communities.
We urge the UK to implement more far-reaching sanctions in line with its legal duty to prevent genocide under the 1948 Genocide Convention.
There are a lot of people, including Jews and Israelis, who demand action and demand it right now.
Impose a full arms embargo on Israel. And all military and intelligence cooperation with Israel. Enact sanctions against all individuals and organizations responsible for violations of international law. Uphold international law and support all efforts to hold Israel accountable by the ICC and the ICJ.